Hi everyone! Today we are going to talk about future forms, will and going to. Many students ask, which one should I use, will or going to? Good news, there is a very clear logic behind it. By the end of this video, you will know when to use will, when to use going to, and how to choose without guessing. We use will when we decide at the moment of speaking, we make promises, we offer help, we give opinions or predictions. Key idea, will, decision now, in this moment. Examples, I'm tired, I will go to bed. It's cold, I will close the window. Don't worry, I will help you. Sentence structure with will. Affirmative, subject plus will plus base verb. I will call you, she will help us. Negative, subject, will not or won't, and base verb. I won't be late, he won't forget. And questions, will plus subject plus base verb. Will you come tomorrow? Will she call me?
And I will rule the world!
Going to. We use going to when we have a plan or intention. The decision was made before now. We see clear evidence. Key idea, going to, already decided, planned. Examples, I'm going to study tonight. I planned it. We are going to travel next month. Look at the clouds. It's going to rain. Sentence structure with going to. Affirmative, subject plus am is are plus going to and base verb. I'm going to learn English. She is going to cook dinner. Negative, subject plus am is are plus not plus going to and base verb. I'm not going to go out today. They are not going to buy this house. Questions. Am is are plus subject plus going to plus base verb. Are you going to buy something? Is she going to call him?
Oh, this is gonna be too easy.
Compare. Let's compare. Phone rings. Oh, I will answer it. Decision made now. Before lesson. I'm going to answer all your questions. Plan made before. Another example. I think Ukraine will win. Opinion, prediction. I'm going to meet my friend after class. Plan. Simple tip. Ask yourself, did I just decide now? Will. Did I decide earlier or planned it? Going to.